Hello techies, welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Nils. I hope you all are doing good and taking care of yourselves and your family. Stay safe and keep learning. So let's start with our video. Today we are going to learn remote config, which is very cool feature of Firebase. So let's hunt together. As a part of this video, we're gonna create our remote config over a Firebase console and we'll fetch that value in our code. So let's create our remote config over this Firebase console. So you just need to click on this remote config value from engage section. Then you will get this UI. In this we just need to add our keys. Suppose my key says it's subscribed and its value is true. Okay, you can even specify JSON over here. I have only one value, that's why I am just specifying its boolean value here. Just click on add parameter. Just review your value is subscribed and its value is true. I am not setting any default value here, and just publish changes. Don't forget to do this. After publishing, you will see the key name over here. It's a key name. It's subscribed is a remote config key value and its keys value is true. So let's just fetch this value in our. Now to integrate remote config in our React Native project, we just need these prerequisites like React Native Firebase app. We should have configured Firebase in your project. Then we will need to install this library. So just pick it from here and in terminal just write it down npm install --save and copy your library. So I have already installed it, so I'm just cancelling this. Now to fetch our value, we need to import remote config in our code. So it's just a simple code which is displaying this thing, subscribe to my channel. It's just a normal state variable and I have printed it over here. So now to integrate its value from remote config, we need to import library first. So I have imported remote config library. Then we have to first set default value. I'm just copying this text from here and writing it down in component mount. So first we need to set default value to our key. So my key is subscribed. So this value goes to is subscribed and I'm keeping its default value as a false. Okay, then I'm just get rid of this code. I don't want it. So okay, that's good. I just want to fetch it here. Then go to that page again and check reading values thing. We need to fetch value, right? Then it's subscribed and here we can give a key name. Okay, so what I'm going to do, if user has already subscribed, then if user has already subscribed, then set its value to another string, and if not, then keep this value only. Okay, and if user is subscribed, then thank you. Thank you for subscribing, and if not, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. This is a state variable. Okay, so I guess we all are set. Let's run it. After running this, the value is thank you for subscribing, which comes when is subscribed is true only. So we successfully fetch our value from remote config. This code sets the default value to our remote config key. This function fetch a remote config value from your console, and here we are setting its value. So that's all about remote config. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Code with Nils. I will come up with more technical videos soon. So stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you.